Let me ask you something. If someone recorded your life for a week with no sound, no captions, would it look like a life you're proud of? Or just someone trying to hold it together? You keep telling people you're fine, but deep down, you know you're not. You're overwhelmed, unmotivated, running on autopilot, but still smiling like it's all under control. Let's cut the act. You wake up tired. You go to sleep anxious. You distract yourself all day just to avoid your own thoughts. You're surviving, not living. Here's the truth no one wants to say. Pretending you're okay is the biggest lie you tell yourself. And it's the reason you're stuck. You can't fix a problem you refuse to admit exists. You don't need more motivation. You need honesty. You need to look in the mirror and admit something's broken, and it won't fix itself. Your environment? Toxic. Your habits? Self-destructive. Your mindset? Wired for survival, not success. You say you want peace, but you chase noise. You say you want clarity, but you drown in distractions. You say you're working on yourself, but deep down, you know you're just avoiding the work that actually matters. So here's your wake-up call. Stop pretending. Stop performing. Let yourself be honest. You don't have to have it all figured out, but you do have to stop lying to yourself, because nothing changes until you do. Still here? Then don't scroll away like nothing happened. Look at your life, face it, then fix it. No one's coming. No one's saving you. It's just you versus you now, and pretending won't help you win.